Do you remember me? How am I looking? Don't put your feet on the table. Throw the waste in the garbage bin. Want to sit on my lap? You are always watching TV. What kind of program are you watching? You are too close to the TV. You should not watch so much TV. That's like a good boy. I need some water. Bring me some water. Get me something to eat. I am bored at home. Let's go out for dinner. What does he think of himself? When will we go home? Please give me your mobile. Can I get your mobile? Speak on one by one, please. Who gave you the right to interface between us? Don't take advantage of my silence. Don't go out without informing me. My phone has got a scratch. He has a sharp memory. Which side is the bus stop? You got the pleasure of doing work. I will be careful next time. Were you not show off too much? Everything happened so fast I could not tell. She has got on to my heart and soul. The road has been closed for repairs. Your voice. There is a saying that nothing is impossible. This is out of my control. We should give up bad habits. Hold this mobile with both hands. All the while I wait for Ram. Looks as our teacher is not here today. The winters are round the corner. The summer are round the corner. I will come in a month or so. They will go London in a year or so. He will come in a day or so. Dad is